a special video. I have my daughter on the back. She's been begging me to take her for a ride, so we're gonna take her for a cruise through Oakland and hopefully don't scare the crap out of her. So no crazy shenanigans for me today, but should be entertaining nonetheless. On a side note, I just want to thank all of you guys so much. We have grown so fast, faster than I ever thought we would, and it's all thanks to you guys. You guys have been crazy supportive, and it's amazing. We're building up this community every single day. We're literally 4 subscribers away from 100, so that's pretty amazing. But I have a favor to ask you guys. I need you guys to leave a like whenever you watch a video, because it helps more than you'll ever know. And even more importantly, leave a comment. Let us know what you guys think of the videos, man, because I have no idea other than looking at analytics, but that honestly doesn't tell you much when you're such a small channel. But we're trying different things, trying to find out what works, what doesn't. But you know, if you guys could help us out a little bit, just let us know in the comment section below what you like, what you don't like, what you want to see. I mean, anything. We're taking requests. So if there's something certain you guys would like to see, we'll do everything in our power to show you. You just gotta let us know. But yeah, just again, want to thank you guys so much. You guys have been crazy supportive, and before you know it, we'll be up there, and we'll be able to do bigger and better things, which is our overall goal. So thank you guys. I said no shenanigans, but maybe just a little bit of shenanigans. But safe shenanigans, I promise. You okay? Yeah. Okay. Freaking bike keeps dying. Probably. Oh shit, sorry, I wasn't paying attention. Oh, big old bug. That one made me flinch. How was it? Alright guys, we had a pretty awesome time hanging out, got some food. Now we're on our way back, so just sit back and enjoy the views. Oh, you jackass. Guy was about to pull out right in front of me. And I didn't even notice it. That's the sad part. Yeah, that one was clean. It's not fair. I can't do wheelies. Although it'd be a lot easier with a passenger on the back of that. Oh no! Oh no, earthquake!